How to use AppSheet for beginners. Hey everyone, in today's video, we will talk about AppSheet, a no-code platform by Google that lets you to build a powerful mobile app and web app without writing single line of code. If you are a beginner with no coding experience, don't worry, this tutorial is made just for you. Now, in this video, we will cover what AppSheet is and why it is useful, how to prepare your data, and we will build your first app and how you can customize the app design. And at the end of this video, we will know how you can test and share your app when you are done. Now, let's dive in. Now, first thing first, what is AppSheet? So basically, AppSheet is no-code app development platform by Google. It allows anyone from small businesses owner to project manager to create a custom app that works on both mobile and desktop devices. Now, if you talk about the key features, you can build custom apps from your own data. You can automate tasks and workflows. You can connect Google Sheet, Excel, SQL, and other data sources. So, let's get started. First thing first, what you have to head over to appsheet.com and click on this get started in the top right corner. Click on it. It will ask you to create an account. Then you have this signing option. I will go with the Google. If you want to choose Microsoft, Apple, or Dropbox of any of these from these, you can choose it. I will go with the Google. Let's simply click on the Google and it will take you to login page and you have to select from here. Once you are logged in, you will land on the AppSheet dashboard. From here, you can manage all your app and start a new one or explore templates. The interface is clean with easy navigation. Your app list on the left and you can creation option front of center. Now, let's prepare your data first. Before you build, you need some structured data, most commonly from Google Sheet or Excel. Make sure your sheet has a clear header row like name, email, product, and quantity, and clean, organized data below it. So, I will give you a tip. Each row will become a record in your app. So, make sure you have a clear recording to that. Now, let me show you how you can do that. Just simply go into Google Sheet and make a new Google Sheet on it. First, you have to sign in, change the name with Google App Database, and then you have to give a name. First, we will add name, then we will add email, then we will add phone number, then we will add producer or product, then we will add again a quantity. Then we will add some data into each column, like name will be maker John, and then email address will be techserve. Just copy this email address and then enter the mobile phone number, then product, whatever product is of your video editing, and then quantity 3. So just simply save this Google Sheet. Once your sheet is ready, we can move to create your first app. Now, in order to do that, what you have to do is get back to your app sheet. Now, over here, you can see in the top left, we have create option. Just simply click on the create option and select the app. Now, you will see few options like start with the existing data. You can start with a template and you can start with a blank one. Now, for beginner, I recommend start with a template or your existing Google Sheet. It is faster and easier to understand how things work. Let's walk through connecting to your Google Sheet and letting AppSheet generate a basic app automatically. Now, what you have to do is just simply select start with existing data. Now, you have to give the name of your app, test app over here. Then you have to choose the category, inspection and survey, or customer engagement, choose your data. Now over here you will get the option of Google Sheet. Choose Google Sheet and it will open this pop-up where you can see your app Google app database. Select which we have created earlier. Select this Google Sheet and wait for a few seconds to create your first app. As you can see here, our app is ready. Now click on this plus icon to add a new name like name, email, phone number, product and quantity we have. So let's give a name, test name. Then we have an email address. Whatever email address you have, just put it over here. Then we have phone number. Then we have product. Then we have quantity. Whatever quantity is, just simply increase your quantity and click on the save. Now this is how you can create your app. This is a basic app to uh, create a contact information related to a specific individual. So as you can see here, you can access your app from here. If you move to tablet, this is how it will look like. If you move to desktop, wait for a few seconds to load. So this is your app. If you want to add, just simply click on the add button. Over here you can add name, email address and phone number. So this is how you can create a simple contact adding app using test app. Now if you see on the left side, you will see like data, and this is UI UX, and this is a action, and we have automation as well. So if you go into data, you will get to see something like this. Here you can see we have table over here. If you want to create another, let's say if you want to create something into your uh, if you want to add one more raw over here, what you can do is just simply increase this, or just simply change. Okay, maybe I'm not able to add raw from here. Okay, we cannot add raw from here. Let's say if you want to add a new data source to your app, what you can do is just simply click on this Google Sheet, create a new data, and again you can connect it. You can connect Google Forms, you can connect Google Documents as well. Then we have a Google AppSheet database as well. So you can give that. Now if you go in view, so from here you can see how your app looks and feel. From here you get navigation, reference view and primary navigation. And this is a map, view type, calendar. So you can get a lot of things like chart. So yeah, you can enter a lot of things over here. So I will not go that deep into it, so you will not understand. So as soon as you are happy with your result, just simply click on the save button. Now wait for a few seconds. Now our app is ready to deploy. Now if you want to switch to the legacy server, you can select from here as well. Now if you want some advanced feature like home, information about app, the data, as you can see here, if you want to create new table or new column into your data app, you can add. This is your UX. And if you want to add a new view, you can add, just create a new view. And this is how you can create a new view. Let's say if you want to change new view, you can change it. So we have a lot of option. If you want to change the behavior of app, click on the new and create a new action. So this is how it looks like. Automation, if you go into automation, a bot defines automation you want to AppSheet to run. Let's say uh, when Google app data record is deleted, send an email. From here you can create app or automation. I will not go into that deep, so you will not get understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is the basic overview of test app. Let's move back to our home dashboard. Now, if you go into apps, you can start with a template as well. And from here, you can copy a lot of pre-built templates from here, like simple survey. We have simple survey app, simple inventory. So if you want something very simple app, and you don't want to create your app, what you can do is just simply come and see if there is app available for your work. Like if you have a simple inventory, just preview this uh, template and see how it works. Just wait for a few seconds, and this is it looks like. If you found this app good, then just simply copy and customize. Click on the copy and customize. Click on the copy app. We wait for a few seconds to open the editor. So as you can see here, we have this our app. Like from here, you can add item like name, description, image, and stock availability as well. So you can apply theme as well. Just simply click on the theme, and you can from here you can change primary color, app logo, launch image, and lot of other things. And if you want to set a specific behavior of this app, you can just simply click on a create a new behavior. So this is how you can manage to your app. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Now let's say if you want to collaborate with your team member, click on this plus icon in the top. There is an option of share, and from here you can add email or domain and give access to anyone who wants to work with you. So this will send you that user a invitation link. If he invite accepted that invitation link, then he will be redirected to this editor where he can manage data, home, UX, and all other things. Now that's it. You just build your first AppSheet app from scratch, no code needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question or want to see a full follow-up video on more advanced feature. Just comment it down. I will try to make new, and I will dive deep into AppSheet. Thanks for watching.